Hey, okay, so accessing your private GPT stack inside of Practical AI Academy. Now, before you do anything else inside of this academy, I want you to understand something. This community is not just a content library and it's not just an AI playground. Now, these GPTs are private AI execution stack built to compress years of trial and error into daily momentum, and I'm handing all of it over to you just for being a part of this community. Now, inside Practical AI Academy, you have access to several different custom GPTs that I personally designed and trained to help you grow your 6 or 7 figure AI business and to solve the exact problems that stop people from making money, growing attention, and converting conversations into sales. Now, here's how you access them. From your Skool dashboard, you'll click into the classroom. Inside the classroom, go to Start Here, and then find the GPT pages and open each link. Now, every tool opens instantly, no setup, no technical friction. It just opens your browser to ChatGPT. Let me walk you through this stack in the order that it's meant to be used. First, Affiliate Marketer Sidekick. This is going to be your revenue foundation. It removes all confusion around what to promote, how to position your offers, and what content actually leads to commissions. If your goal is income, this is where you start. Next is Social Growth Bot. Money follows attention, and this is how you build it on demand. Use this to generate hooks, reels, captions, and growth strategies engineered for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the socials. This is how you stop guessing and start showing up every day with confidence and consistency. Third, ChatGPT Secrets Agent. This is the difference between average AI users and operators. It teaches you how to prompt with precision so AI gives you leverage instead of noise. Once you understand this tool, every other GPT becomes more powerful. Use it to build authority and help others become prompting experts. DM CEO Closer. This is where conversations turn into outcomes. So you need to move someone towards a call, a sale, a decision. It helps you do that without pressure, awkward energy, or sounding salesy. Then you have the Reels Black Box. This one is for speed. It creates 7-second short form videos designed to stop the scroll and help you sell a product fast. So if you're selling anything and you want content that converts without overthinking, this is your unfair edge. Now, here's what matters. You don't win by touching everything once. You win by using the right tool for you every single day. Remember these 3 things: income first, attention second, leverage always. These GPTs are not here to impress you. They're here to remove friction between where you are currently and where you are going. So open the first one now and start executing. Remember, high-end communities don't win by just providing information. They win by providing daily leverage. So go ahead and click through all of the custom GPTs below, and I'll see you on each one explaining exactly how to use it.